children, welcome back to Ramakidz educational video. So today in this video we are going to learn the phonics sound of alphabet V. Yes. So what is the sound? It's V sound. Repeat after me. V. Let's see some words related to alphabet V. The first word is V for van. Van. You can see in the picture, this is a school van. V for van. It is a vehicle. Next is V for vase. Vase. What is vase? It is used for putting flowers. You can see in the picture how many beautiful flowers are there in the vase. Next is V for vulture. Vulture. This is vulture and vulture is a bird. Next is V for vacuum. Vacuum. You can see in the picture this is a vacuum cleaner and we can use vacuum cleaner to clean our house. Next is V for vegetables. Vegetables. These are vegetables and vegetables are very healthy. Kids should always eat vegetables to be healthy. So we have learned the phonics sound of alphabet V and the sound is V. So in the next class children we will learn the phonics sound of a new alphabet. Bye-bye.